Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time, my name is Kyah and I am so glad that you will be joining us today. In this video, I will be testing out the new MOITIE Cosmetics 10-day Super Lash Seal, which I'm really excited to try out. It is one of their new products to be used when you are applying their 10-day at-home lash extensions. This product works best when it's paired with their lash glue, which comes in a jar form, or their bond, which is in a pink bottle. I am going to use their bond today. So their 10-day Super Lash Seal is basically just another product that you can use whenever you're doing their at-home extensions, just to provide a really secure hold with those lashes, and also to remove any tackiness from the bond or the glue. For lashes, I'm going to be picking up a style from their Around the World lash collection. This is the Los Angeles style, very fluttery and dramatic. All right, without further ado, let's get started. To start off, I'm picking up the MOITIE Cosmetics 10-day lash bond, and I'm going to be using the style Los Angeles. These are super fluttery and glam, so I'm loving this style. And at first, I'm going to be brushing on a tiny bit of that bond onto each lash segment and then arranging them onto my natural lashes. This is a really important step. You do not want to be applying the lash segments onto your lash line. You want to apply them directly onto your natural lashes. And when you are applying each lash segment, make sure you are pressing your natural lashes together with the lash extensions, making sure that your lashes are well blended. Here's a quick before and after. Obviously, you can see that these lashes are very bold and dramatic. Now you can go ahead and apply the lashes to your other eye, and then once that bond is dry, you can start picking up the Super Lash Seal and just brushing that through, making sure your natural lashes are bonding well with the lash extensions. So here are the finished lashes. I've got to say, it looks like I got them done professionally at a salon. I am so impressed. This Super Lash Seal helped so much, just really create a really good hold. And I have really short lashes, but they're also pretty straight. So if you have straight lashes as well, this is really going to help your lashes adhere to the lash extensions and just really help them look very natural and like you got them done. And it's gonna be awesome. You are going to be a lash boss. Thank you all so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and you found it helpful. If you're interested in trying out any products from MOITIE Cosmetics, you can use the code KYAHXO and save $5 off of your entire purchase. And if you are interested in trying some at-home lash extensions, I would highly recommend also getting the Super Lash Seal. This product is amazing. You will not regret it. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you all have a very blessed week. Love you guys.